Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2010 Chevy Colorado LT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z7530X. Only 64,000 miles on this Colorado. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Sheer silver metallic in color. This crew cab seats 5. Cloth interior. 5-foot box. Z71 off-road suspension package. Includes skid plates for protection, along with a locking rear differential, hitch and wiring, drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Sliding rear window for extra ventilation. This LT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 64,000 miles. Tilt wheel, cruise control, shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive, radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Easy to use heating and air conditioning. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror with temperature and compass display. Under the hood, this Colorado is a 3.7 liter 5-cylinder, 242 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Colorado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.